Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I have got a little mini unboxing to share with you. Well, not a box, an unbagging I should say. I have got the Queen's bag from Feelunique. Feelunique have a lot of offers running at the moment on their website, and they've kindly collaborated with me this month to show you what's inside this box, but also I have purchased some beauty products which I'll be showing throughout the month, mainly on my Instagram page, but I thought I would do a little unbagging for YouTube just to show you what you could get if you were to opt for this offer. If you were to spend £120 or more on their website, you will receive a beauty bag that has a value of £120, and this is their Queen bag in celebration of the Queen's Jubilee. If you're interested in this offer, they only last for a couple of days. You'll find it down below in my description, as well as all discount codes and offers and anything I can find on the Look Fantastic website. You'll find it down below in my description. So underneath this video you see show more or a downward arrow. If you were to click that, that'll bring up my description and everything will be listed down there. Feelunique have also given me a code to share with you. It's an affiliate code, so if you use it, it means that it doesn't change the price of what you pay for anything. It just means that I get a little bit of commission, which goes back into helping me create these videos for you. The code is BeautyGeek FUA, and that will entitle you to 15% off any products site-wide, although there are some exclusions. On Feelunique, you can stack up codes as well, which is really great, as well as like offers and freebies and things like that. So I think that's it as far as information goes. So let's open this up and show you what's inside. This bag is really nice. It's a little bit different. I love the colour, really nice and bright. But it's like a nylon-y bag, but a little bit padded as well. I really like that. Usually with some of the bags, I pass on to like my daughter or like my family or friends. But no, I'm keeping this one because I really like it. First up, we got Florina Fermented Skincare Firming Face Mask with fermented honeysuckle and hyaluronic acid. This is by Cosmos Natural. This is what it looks like. Is it? No, I was thinking it's not a sheet mask, it's actual cream in there which you rip off and apply to your face. So there's that. Next up, we've got some collagen supplements. This is natural marine collagen to promote glowing skin and smooth fine lines. These are by Daily Essential Vida Glow with the 6 servings, original peach and blueberry. Oh, okay, I'll have a look at this. Maybe you add it to water? Yeah, look. Little sachets there. Or do you just drink them? No, you just drink them. No, it's powder. You must add it to water. Yeah, add it to water or a beverage of your choice. So there's 6 of these in here. Next, I got a Nooks. This is a scented shower gel, cleanses and softens with sweet almond oil. And there's 30 mils there. Then we've got a Ren Clean Skincare Ready Steady Glow Daily AHA Tonic. It says clean to skin, clean to planet, and there's 100 mils here. And I've been using this for the last week actually. I've got one already that is open. And yeah, it's nice. It's a nice tonic. Then we've got Bioderma. This is a Sensibio Gel Moussant. A soothing micellar cleansing foaming gel, moisturizes face and eyes, rinse off, and it's suitable for sensitive skin. And there's 45 mils there. I haven't tried this before. So yeah, something new for me. Then I got Cordially. This is Vino Pure, a purifying gel cleanser, and there's 30 mils. I remember trying this years ago, and I do really like it. I do actually like quite a few Cordially beauty products. And we've got another one in this bag as well. But yeah, it's really nice and refreshing from what I remember. So yeah, it's been a long time since I used it. It's got another one. So let's see. Yeah, here we go. This is the Vino Sauce Hydra. This is SOS Intense Moisturizing Cream. And there's 15 mils there. This is a really nice cream as well. Then we've got what I'm wearing today, although I have been rushing around all day and I've been sweating, so most of my makeup has probably come off. I put a little bit of lipstick on before I did this video, but this is by Iborian, and this is a CC water, and it's a fresh complexion gel, and we've got it in shade Dore. Dore, I think that's how you say it. And there's 5 mils there. This is a weird one. It comes out white, but with little beads on it. And you think, what? because it's supposed to be tinted. And Doré, if I'm saying that right, is supposed to be more for like a medium skin tone. But then when you blend it into your face, you squish the beads and then you see the tint coming through. It is gorgeous. I love this brand. I have got a few of their products now, and pricey, really, really pricey, but you can buy minis. I am really impressed with this brand. I love it. So I've got a little mini there. Next, we've got a KVD Tattoo Liner. This is a waterproof liquid eyeliner in Trooper Black. It's a little mini one there, so I'm not going to open it up. I'm going to save that because I have got quite a few on the go at the moment. Then we got Blossom & Blossom Hands Up Age Defying Hand Cream. There's 15 mils there. Then we've got Honey Halo Ultra Hydrating Ceramide Moisturizer by Pharmacy, and there's 9 mils there. So a little pot. Then we've got Omarovichka Midnight Renewal. What's a Midnight Renewal? 5 mils. It's a serum. It's a nighttime serum, and it's a little sample there to show you what it looks like. There. And then lastly, we've got a perfume. This is from Clarins, Oué L'Extraordinaire. I haven't ever tried a Clarins perfume before. Oh, we've got quite a decent size here as well. Normally we just get a little like 1 mil spray, but we've got 5 mils here. So what is it? What does it smell of? A fruity floral treatment fragrance that revives your inner strength while waking up your senses in just one step. Okay. Fruity floral sounds exactly what I go for. Oh, ooh, wow, wow, wow. Okay. Oh my gosh, that is gorgeous. That is so, so nice. Oh, I can't describe it. Limes, lemons, flowers, fruity floral, as it says. Oh, I really, really like it. A really nice daytime summery smell. Oh, I love it. Oh, wow. Wow, wow, wow. I wonder how much it costs. And, ow, just caught my finger or my skin. If any of you have tried this or any Clarins perfumes before, please let me know what the longevity is like. Are they the sort of perfumes which smell great but only last for about an hour and you have to keep on topping it up? Or do they last quite a while? I'd love to know, so please comment down below. I'll have to wear it for a day to find out, but no, I really like that. I'm happy. Normally, I'm quite fussy with perfumes, so there's a high chance that I'd be like, nope, don't like it. But I love that Clarins aroma. So there's that. So those are all the products inside this Queen beauty bag from Feelunique. They don't hang around long, so if you're interested in this offer for yourself, then it might be available for the next couple of days. But if you miss out, or if you're not interested in the contents of this bag, then they do bring them out regularly. And as soon as they do, I post them up everywhere. So if you're not already following me on Instagram and Facebook, you're welcome to do so, so then you know. Also, I've got a link tree. It's down in my description. If you were to click on the link tree, it has a huge list of all my daily deals and offers and everything that I spot. I post them up everywhere, plus I post them in my link tree. And as opposed to, say, Instagram, where if I do a story, it only lasts for a day and then it goes, with a link tree, it's there until whatever I'm showing you is sold out or finished or whatever. Well, you've got the option to sign up for notifications, so you either receive a text or an email whenever I post up any offers. So you're welcome to sign up for notifications that way if you want to as well. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching. Please let me know if you've taken advantage of this offer and what do you think of these beauty bags. I'd love to hear, so please comment down below. So take care and I'll speak to you soon. Bye.